Everyone, hope you're doing well. Welcome to week 14, final exam prep. We went through a lot, so you've had a lot in your textbook that you've had to review all the way from week 1 to this week 14. This is the moment that you need to take a deep breath and review those homework chapters that you might have missed or didn't do well on. Make sure you redo those. In your final exam, what you will see in the video, if you click on week 14 that I posted right here, the review, a lot of the questions are from your homework. So you need to make sure that you go through and redo your homework so you understand the material. I gave a really thorough review that's going to consist of course, multiple choice questions, short answers, and essays, and you're going to see that in your review here. But you need to take the time to read the textbook. If you missed something, you had a challenging week at school and you didn't review maybe a chapter the way you wanted to, go back this week and review that chapter. Take your time and redo all the homework if you want to do that. That's going to help you prepare for the final exam. Much of what you're going to find in homework, again, is going to be on your exam. So, when you do your exam, which is not going to be available yet, right? It's going to be available in week 15. When you do your exam, it's going to be on Lockdown Browser. So you're going to have to download that. Make sure that's ready. You're not going to be able to use Google search or anything related to the internet to help with this exam. You can, however, use your book. So when you're reviewing your textbook prior to this exam, you want to use sticky notes or whatever you can do to make sure you can access the chapter if you have any challenges pretty quickly to get the answers that you need. However, if you don't review the text prior to this exam, it's going to be very challenging for you. I do think if you have reviewed, studied, and really taken the material to heart, you're going to do just fine because it's not super challenging. It's basic information. However, if you don't know where to go or how to access it, it can be a little challenging because there's 50 questions. The time is 2 hours long. Again, let's study this week. Let's take all week to really get to know the information as it's progressing. As the week goes on, I'll also post more information in the announcement section and also the course content, but I wanted to get this ready to go, have this started for you so you could start reviewing potentially this weekend if you finish your other material prior. Let me know if you have any questions. Don't hesitate to reach out at any time. Thanks so much for all your efforts, and I hope you guys have a great rest of the weekend.